Good morning. Hey, it's Tuesday and I'm back out on the docks today. You can see that they're early getting things ready to come up to the dock. Let's take a walk through the dock and look at these beautiful plants. Now, as you can see here, the new gen boxwood is quite popular. We got some gorgeous 3-gallon shipping out here. We had some fantastic weather this week and a lot of folks are getting work done. But check out these new gens. Another popular boxwood here. We're looking at our 3-gallon. These are winter gems. Nice landscape grade plan here. We're looking at our 5-gallon winter gems. So if you can see, we got several price points available. What a value. So as you can see here, we're getting a lot of potted trees coming up. Again, the guys are out digging in the fields, but still a lot of great looking container trees getting shipped right now. So be sure to check that availability. With evergreens coming up to the dock here, we're looking at 15-gallon emerald green arborvitaes. You can see how nice and consistent and full those plants are. Then here we're looking at some 15-gallon green giants. Gorgeous plant, great value on those. Another great value, we have the 7-gallon emerald greens. You know, if you're looking for a price point here, look at these beauties. How it just came in, nice 7-gallon Texas densiformis. I got this order here. We got our 3-gallon, these are endless summer hydrangea. Nice full plants here. The foliage, again, these are inside, so the foliage is being a little bit protected. See some buds on those. Now, great color on the Itea. Again, you can see the background there. That's Fizzy Mizzy, and this one here is Little Henry, I'm sorry. And you can see that great fall color coming out on these right now. Hard to believe it's November here looking at these. These are Daisy May, and there's several varieties of leucanthemum that are in the houses that are shooting some flowers up. Still looking good. Looking at Palace Purple Heuchera. You know, they're starting to see some signs of fall here, but you can see they've still got some nice foliage to them. Full cans, looking good. And then here we have some Variety Silvery Sunproof. Still a lot of great looking ground cover going out. Again, we have flats and these gorgeous 1-gallons. Pachysandra Vica and Ivy. Those cute little tater tots there. Nice looking plant. And we see the great color on these Mop Cypress. These are 3 gallons here. Nice color. We have the 2 Ilex Crenata, that's straight and narrow from first edition, and Sky Pencil. More junipers here. We're looking at 3-gallon blue rock junipers, nice heavy 3s. Wow, look at this color. You know, this is Aronia Lowscape Mound. Fantastic fall color on these. Grasses are still hot. They're coming up here. We're looking at variegated miscanthus. You can see a lot of the grasses are still plumed up and looking good. Peek at those grasses. Again, gorgeous variegated miscanthus here. Nice consistent crop. You can see they're starting to plume up. Looking good. See the color. Those are ruby slippers. We'll see more of those. And then again, the new gen boxer are looking fantastic right now. Here's another pallet of those new gen boxer. These are freedoms. So nice consistent crop here. Good size. We have some corners to look at. This one's Ivory Halo on the right, and you can see the foliage is starting to come off and these beautiful red canes. And then the one on the left is the first edition's Cayenne. And you know, these will add a lot of interest as we go into winter. These big beautiful, these are our 5-gallon PJMs. You can see how nice and big these are, loaded with buds, getting ready for spring color. Grasses throughout the dock here today. You know, nice full heavy grasses. They're showing some fall color, some plumes. Nice interest for your landscape. You can see here folks are stocking up on these azaleas. We're looking at some 3-gallon Karens. Nice big heavy full plants. This is a bright chartreuse Lunacera. Here is Thunderbolt. Look at that great color. Peek at these Physocarpus. These are ginger wine. And yes, it's November, but you know, we've had warm temperatures again. And these are still looking great. Nice landscape size. We still got some nice fall color. What we're looking at is Limelight Prime, and you know, we're getting in the fall here, so they got their fall color, but you can see nice big heavy full plants. Another Physocarpus to look at here is Physocarpus Summer Wine. Again, 3 gallons. You can see here, still holding on the foliage right now. You know, the temperatures here have been in the 60s and 70s this week, so they're still looking good. Here we have Hydrangea Eclipse, and again, this is part of our spring crop. These are in houses right now, so they're a little bit protected from any kind of cold, and the foliage is looking fantastic. This will be a hot one again for spring. Hydrangea Eclipse. And if you got these on order, I definitely would grab them. These are 18-inch Picea globosa that were grown in the fields in root bags and put in that 7-gallon container. See a lot of these going out too. Again, nice fall color, great landscape plant. We're looking at our 3-gallon mop cypress. See, you got some boxwood here. We're looking at our 3-gallon. These are green mountains. Had to pull one of these 3-gallon Taxus densiformis off the pallet to show you how nice and full those are. Nice fluff to them, good value on these guys. We got a great price on them. Then next to them, we're looking at our 3-gallon Mr. Bowling Ball. Hey, check out these. Here we have some 7-gallon blueprint G2. Very nice. A couple of the carts before they put them on the truck here. We're looking at Forsythia. That is Show Off from Proven Winners. Nice heavy 3-gallon. Another popular one. This is Ilex Grenada Straight and Narrow from First Editions. More of those junipers and root bags. Again, we got some great looking plants growing in the field there for landscape sized junipers. And here I wanted to show you these. This is our 7-gallon. This is Syringa Miss Kim. Check that 7-gallon out. These are gorgeous plants here, guys. More of those 25-gallon green giants coming up. We're just going to see a lot of these coming into the dock. You'll see a truck coming in, bringing in some more plants. These are gorgeous 7-footers. Here we have some Viburnum Summer Snowflake, another landscape favorite. Some 5-gallon, those are Green Mountains, and look at these 7-gallon columnar heads. Gorgeous. You coming on a wagon here, this is Hydrangea Quercifolia Ruby Slippers. Again, beautiful full plants, nice fall color. It's a beautiful sunny day. Here we're looking at the petite knockouts here. Looking Oak Leaf Hydrangea. On the left here we have Alice, and on the right we have another one from First Edition. This one is Jet Trails. And again, those oak leaves show some great fall color and interest throughout the season. I'll show you, got a couple pallets here of our 3-gallon Mr. Bowling Balls. Beautiful. Another shot, you can see new gens are everywhere on the dock, and then again, these 5-gallon PJMs loaded with buds and ready for your landscape. Catching this pallet of plants coming in. Here we got our Viburnum. These are fragrant Viburnums. This is Carlisi Sugar and Spice. Nice, heavy, full 3-gallons. Good value. I had to stop here. I was just going by the house here by the dock, and I wanted to show you these gorgeous dianthus. You know, you wouldn't think it's November, but wow, look at these. This one up front is Fire Witch, and they still have some buds and blooms, and they're still going strong. Looking into the hydrangea houses again, hydrangeas are covered and protected, so they're not getting hit by that cold hit of frost. So they still have nice foliage and buds on them. So if you're looking for some late color, check out these macrophyllus. So we have Endless Summer, we have Summer Crush, and several others that are looking great. Wanted to peek back in one of these houses, Summer Crush. These are 3 gallons. And again, they're in houses, and you can see we still got some color and buds on them, and they're looking fantastic for fall or spring. So these are consolidated, and they're can to can, but they are still gorgeous plants here. We're looking at Geranium Roseanne. They still have fantastic color, bud, and bloom on them. So if you're trying to get that landscape in or add a little pop of color to get you through fall, think about this one, Geranium Roseanne. Here's another great plant for landscaping. It's very popular. It's a good time to get these in the ground, get them established for fantastic show of color next year. So this is Leucanthemum Becky. Check out those plants. Here's another plant. You would think it's spring. It's our spring crop of Aquilegia. So again, you can see here these plants are coming up. They're looking good, and they're budded, they're flowering. You know, soon those will go dormant. They'll be cut back and reflushed for spring. But again, if you need that little pop right now, Aquilegia. Up through the dock, and you know, I've been showing you these gorgeous green giants here. We're seeing some 15s and these gorgeous 25 gallons. And be sure to get with the sales team. Geez, I hope we're loading the truck for you.